In this video, we'll learn how to fix Messenger sound not working. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Here are several potential solutions to fix Messenger sound not working. The first and basic step is to check your phone's sound settings. Make sure your phone sound is not muted or turned down. Check the volume settings for both the ringer and notification. Along with that, also check your Messenger's notification and sound settings. Open up your Messenger, tap on the three horizontal line at the upper left corner, and now tap on the gear-like icon. And now scroll down and tap on Notifications and Sound under Preferences. And now check if the Messenger sound is turned off. Now if all the phone settings is good but you are still having problem with the sound, then try restarting the Messenger app. Sometimes simply restarting the app can fix the sound issue. And if that doesn't help either, then you can try clearing the app's cache and data. To do this, go to Settings and now tap on Apps. Now search for Messenger, tap on it, and scroll down and tap on Storage. Now from here, tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data to clear both cache and data. If that simply works, then that's great for you, but if it still doesn't, then try updating the Messenger app. Check to see if there are any updates available for the Messenger app, as this can sometimes fix sound issues. And if this doesn't help either, then try reinstalling the Messenger app. If all else fails, try installing and then reinstalling the Messenger app. And if none of these solutions work, it may be worth reaching out to Messenger support for further assistance. So hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.